हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट। बच्चों, आज हम इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट सीखेंगे। यू हैव लर्न द इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स। दोज आर लाइक दिस: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. You all know A for apple, but not only apple, there are so many other words start with A. बच्चों, A से एप्पल के अलावा भी बहुत सारे वर्ड्स स्टार्ट होते हैं, जैसे A for apple, A for X, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for arrow. In the same manner, इसी प्रकार से B for ball, B for bat, B for baby, B for butterfly, B for bot. C for cat, C for car, C for cap, C for clock, C for cow. In the same manner, D for dog, D for deer, D for doll, D for duck, D for dress. E for elephant, E for egg, E for ear, E for engine, E for eye. F for fish, F for fox, F for frog, F for fan, F for flower. In the same way, G for goat, G for girl, G for gun, G for grapes, G for glasses. H for horse, H for house, H for hat, H for hen, H for handbag. I for igloo, I for iron, I for insect, I for ice cream, I for ink pot. इसी तरह से बच्चों, J for jug, J for jeep, J for jacket, J for joker, J for juice. K for kite, K for key, K for king, K for knife, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lamb, L for lamp, L for lock, L for lawn. In the same way, M for monkey, M for man, M for mug, M for milk, M for money. N for nest, N for nib, N for nose, N for nurse, N for net. O for orange, O for ox, O for owl, O for oven, O for onion. P for parrot, P for potato, P for pencil, P for peacock, P for pigeon. Q for quill, Q for queen, Q for quarter, Q for quilt, Q for cube. R for rose, R for rainbow, R for radio, R for racket, R for rat. In this way, S for ship, S for sun, S for soap, S for snake, S for squirrel. T for tiger. T for tap. T for tree. T for television. T for telephone. U for umbrella. U for urn. U for uniform. U for utensils. U for umpire. V for vegetables. V for van. V for violin. V for vase. V for village. W for watch. W for wolf. W for wall. W for well. W for well. X for Christmas tree. X for X-ray. X for Christmas card. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Y for yacht. Y for york. Y for yarn. Y for yo-yo. At last, Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z for zero. Z for zoo. Z for zebra crossing. Thank you.